Hi, I'm Pierre-Nicolas Hurstel. I'm CEO and co-founder of Arianee.
Hi, I'm Frédéric Montagnon. I'm an entrepreneur for 20 years, also an investor into tech companies, and I'm the chairman and co-founder of Arianee.
10 years ago, I had the same ridiculous password for several web services. Today, I have a double-factor authentication and Google Authenticator for the simplest thing I use on the internet.
I didn't realize 10 or 20 years ago that using platforms, using application, could generate a lot of data. So now when I'm using like a smartphone, I'm really careful about what I'm using, how the information can be used. And of course, I try to prevent me from using applications that can give a lot of information about myself.
By stopping data collection and not giving up on knowing and understanding their clients. They need to build a new infrastructure where customer data remains in their hands and where interaction is meaningful, with consent, and contextualized.
So I think that privacy is an opinion, it's a point of view. So depending who you are and what you do, where you live, your culture, the meaning of privacy is totally different. And I think that the brand needs to rethink what they do with the information of their customer, of their user, trying to prevent them from collecting as much data as possible to create a trustful relation with the user. At the end of the day, collecting data is a lot of risk, a lot of cost for brands and companies, and there is also a way to connect with the user.